Hi everyone, this is the 7th video on the ACT Math Practice Problem Series, and today's topic is also Laws of Exponent, Roots and Radicals. Here we have a small little problem from the properties of roots and radicals, and as I always recommend, before seeing the solution, pause the video, try to solve it yourself, and then finally you can see my solution. To solve this problem, we are going to use one of the properties of radicals or roots and radicals, that is like this. So the property says that if we have mth root of something, say suppose we have mth root of any number, let's say number a or b, whatever, right? In the exponent form, this is actually with a rational power like this. So mth root of a is actually a to the power 1 over m. So we are going to use that same property right here, and let's see how it comes out to be. So from here we can say, okay, so our number here is in the first term, our number actually a to the power 10, but then we have an 8th root there. So for the 8th root, I'm going to use a power like this or an exponent like this. And similarly, for the second term, there also our number is a to the power 8. So let me first write that, and we have a 10th root, and for the 10th root, I'm going to write it like this. Now, if we simplify it a little further, let's try to remove the parenthesis. So now we are into a form like this. For example, suppose if we have a to the power m and whole to the power n, there is another property like this that says that a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So now the exponents will be multiplied there. So then what this will be? This will be a to the power 10 times 1/8, and then the next term would be a to the power 8 times 1/10, and from here we can write it as a to the power 10 over 8 times a to the power 8 over 10. And if we simplify a little more, so a to the power 10 over 8 would be actually 5 over 4 times a to the power 8 over 10 would be 4 over 5. And then from here, we're going to use the next property of exponent, which says that a to the power m times a to the power n is actually equal to a to the power m plus n. That's the property we're going to use now. So then, can we write it like this? So this will become a to the power 5 over 4 plus 4 over 5, and this will give us a to the power, let's try to do the add on the side here. So 5 over 4 plus 4 over 5, this will be equal to, the LCM would be 20, and then this would be 4 5s are 20, and then 5 5s are 25, and then plus 5 4s are 20, and then 4 4s are 16. So that would be 25 plus 16, so that would be 41 over 20. And then we can say, okay, so now we got a to the power 41 over 20. That's the exponent there. So then the denominator of the exponent can be written as the root here. So I'm going to write it like this. So this is now going to become 20th root of a to the power 41. This is again back to the first property there. So if we have a rational exponent like that, the denominator can be written as the index of the root. So let me write it fresh again. So this is actually equal to 20th root of a to the power 41. And if you look at our answer options here, the correct option appears to be option C. I hope you are able to follow the solution. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.